Hey guys, it's me, Jerry Middleman Battaglia. I'm out here in Long Island, New York with my friend Tom here. We have a special car. How long have you owned this car?
I got it last November.
Last November from?
Actually, I got it from Jersey.
New Jersey.
But it came from originally from North Dakota.
North Dakota, guys. I was walking with Liza around the block.
Third owner.
This car is crazy beautiful, and I spotted it from a mile away.
I think it's too much of it.
You have it? Well, this car is awesome, guys. So let me just move back a little so you can see it. Check out this 1955 Chevy. Look at the color of this beautiful car. The thing stands out. It's getting a little bit dark here. It's about 8 p.m. here in Long Island, New York. But this car is beautiful, guys. So it's a 55 150. It's got the original, possibly the original 283.
It's actually a one-piece frame. Not a welded two-piece. It's a one-piece frame. I can call it California frame.
Okay.
What are the keys with me? The trunk is solid. The windows never had rot. No repair around the windows or nothing. Original rockers.
This car is so cool. 4-speed car, guys. Original rear in the car. This car is awesome. Solid body car, low miles. I think the car was Regal turquoise. We're trying to figure out the door.
I can't believe I never looked that up yet.
What?
The original color.
Okay, that's easy. American racing wheels. Front disc brake conversion. Oh, there's your drums on there.
Oh, drums.
Oh, yeah, yeah, okay.
Yeah. I painted it up nice.
Yeah, looks good. You want to open up the hood?
Yeah.
This car is awesome.
I believe it's a 57 283.
Okay.
With a Super T10 4-speed. Firewall has never been dented in. I could bounce a glass of water on the engine. Just runs so great. It ain't gonna pull the wheels off the ground, but I went to PA with it, and I made it back from Milford, Pennsylvania to here with 7 point something gallons of fuel, and that's sitting a little bit by the GW. That was pretty good.
So you did about 70 miles. You got about 10 miles to the gallon.
No, more than, no, I think it's...
From GWB, George Washington Bridge?
No. Dad, how far is it from where the campsite is?
Oh, so you got about 20 miles to the gallon, 18 miles to the gallon.
Yeah. 7 and change I used.
Kind of a little blue paint there, but it might be...
I see gray, I see blue. I never looked it up. I believe it was original 6-cylinder standard car.
Okay.
I have yet to actually look all the numbers up.
Guys, this car is awesome. This paint work is awesome too. Doors open and close, nice. There's no flex.
Yeah, these gaps. The driver's door to hood, a little bit of adjustment. This gap is real nice on this one.
This car is great, guys.
Headlight is nice.
You know we love our 55s on this channel.
Yeah, the doors, look how this door closes.
Smooth. Is it for sale, Tom?
Everything's for sale.
Guys, you're gonna have to come up to the mid to high 20s for this beautiful car. Everything is solid.
If somebody offered me over 25, I'd sell it tomorrow.
You heard that? You heard that? Over
25.
Over 25. There you go, guys. So if you want, reach out to me and I get you to Tom. Just hit me up in the comments down below. Like and share this video. Anything over 25, he'll sell it tomorrow. He's just afraid he can't replace it because it's a really nice car, guys. It's a really awesome car. So guys, like and share my video. Leave your comments down below. Jerry Middleman Battaglia, my friend Tom here with his beautiful 55 Chevy. And we're just happy that you shared this car with us today.
No problem. My pleasure.
Have a great day, guys. Thank you so much.
Drive safe.
Subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.